Hey loves, welcome to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, it is all about gold sparkle and these beautiful butterfly water decals. I know I said in my last video that I was going to keep those nails on till Thanksgiving, but I couldn't wait. Enjoy! In my last 3 nail videos, I have used the BT Artbox full cover ballerina nails. And while I do like the length and shape of those nails, I wanted something a little longer and thinner. So I picked up their 500 piece clear French nail tip set. Sizes 1 through 10. These tips are thin. It was very easy for me to find the correct sizes and get them to fit with minimal trimming. These nail tips are $7.99 and they're available on Amazon. I am using the Kiss Brush On Nail Glue to apply my nail tips. This is totally optional, but to ensure that my nail tips are on securely, I like to go back in with my glue and apply it where the nail tip meets my nail bed. Alright, here is what the tips look like straight out of the case versus the shape that I'm going for. Now, I do have a long ways to go when it comes to filing and shaping, but I think I did a pretty good job with this set. I did trim them a tiny bit by cutting off the numbers that are right at the very edge. Here you can get a clear picture of the shape that I'm going for. I use the 100 grit side of my 100/180 Kiss hand file to shape these nails. The 100 grit side is rougher and that's meant for shaping and reducing length, while the 180 side is smoother and that's meant for buffing and reshaping the surface of the nails. After using the 180 grit side of my hand file to remove the shine from my nail tips and gently buff my nail bed, I pushed back my cuticles and I am now applying 2 layers of the Sensationail gel primer. With my present number 8 medium hair gel brush, I'm applying a very thin base layer of IBD Clear Hard Gel and curing for 30 seconds. To adhere my glitter to the nail, I am applying a thin layer of the Gadget's Entrepot UV Glue Gel. This is a mixture of the Horizon Group's Basic Gold and Extra Fine Holographic Gold glitters. After applying glitter to all of my nails, I'm going to cure for 30 seconds to ensure that it won't move around when I encapsulate. To encapsulate the glitter, I am applying the Sensationail 2-in-1 base and top coat, paying extra close attention to the sides as well as the free edge of the nail, and I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. I purchased this 12-piece 4-point star nail art set on the Wish app for $1.77 plus $3 for shipping. I am applying the Gadget's Entrepot UV Glue Gel and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. I had cured for 30 seconds at first, but the stars started to fall off, so I reapplied them and I ended up having to cure for a minute. This is a collection of my butterfly water decals. Now I'm not sure exactly where each of these came from. I've purchased from Amazon as well as Wish. There will be links in the description. My camera battery got really low, so while it was charging, I encapsulated my glitter and nail art with the IBD Clear Hard Gel. I am now building up my nail, focusing on the apex, which is the nail's stress area. It is the highest point in the middle of the nail plate and is the most prone to breaking. With the 100 grit side of my hand file, I have reshaped my nails. Now I am applying the Sensationail 2-in-1 base and top coat. Then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. The last thing that I have to do is use alcohol to remove the tacky layer from curing my nails, and they are all done. Thank you, loves, so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought down below in a comment. Check out the description for all of the products that I used, as well as links to the products available online. And until next time, bye, loves!